Now, question number 7. Give 2 examples to show that cube of an even natural number is always even. So, very simple. You just take any one even number, okay, then find out the cube, okay. Give 2 examples. You have to show 2 examples. Suppose you take 2 and 4, okay. So let the 2 even natural numbers be 2 and 4, okay. So therefore 2 cube equal 8 and 4 cube equal 64. So here 8 is even and 64 is also even, okay. Very easy. Next question number 8. Which of the following are cubes of odd numbers? No need to do anything, just give tick mark, okay. Which of the following are the cubes of odd numbers? So you know, you studied in the property that cubes of odd numbers is odd number. These are the property you studied. Cubes of an even number is even number, and cubes of an odd number is odd number. That's why you can easily find out, okay. You just give tick mark, nothing to do. Which number 10. Which of the following are the cubes of negative integers? So all of you know that cubes of negative integers is negative, okay. That's why minus 10, minus 27. Clear? Now 11 number question. Try to understand. First read the question and try to understand the question, okay. So they often play together and share their toys with each other. Sanjana has 2 PlayStation cubites, Rasmi has 2 PlayStation cubites, and Madhvi has 1 PlayStation cubite. The dimensions of each PlayStation cubite 12 cm, 8 cm, 3 cm. That means you have to know how many PlayStation cubites they have. Total 5 PlayStation cubites, okay. So question is, using this PlayStation cubites, Sanjana, Rasmi and Madhvi want to make a cube. That means total PlayStation cubite is 5. So they want to make a cube, okay, with this PlayStation cubites, okay. So you have to find out the volume of 1 cubite. Volume of 1 cubite will be what? 12 into 8 into 3, okay. Volume of 1 cubite you can find out. So after that you have to find out volume of 5 cubites, because total they have 5 number of cubites, okay. That's why you have to find out the volume of 5 PlayStation cubites. You will get one number, okay. You will get one number. So that number will be the volume of 5 PlayStation cubites. Yes. So after that you have to make a cube. You have to, not have to. They want to make a cube with that volume. Okay. Just I have done here. You just see. Okay. So first, number of cubites, Sanjana has 2, number of cubites, Rasmi has 2, like that, okay. Number of cubites Madhvi has 1. So total number of cubites equal 5. So volume of each cubite will be 12 cm into 8 cm into 3 cm, it will be 288 centimeter cube, okay. So after that you find out the volume of total 5 cubites. So it will be 1440 centimeter cube. So total volume 1440 centimeter cube. With this volume they want to make a cube. That's why you have to check whether 1440 is a cube number or not. You have to check. You have to check in the right side or left side, okay. You have to check. So after checking, to make a cube, the volume should be perfect cube, okay. So I have checked in the last page. So after checking, it is clear that 1440 is not a perfect cube, okay. So I have written here and 1440 is not a perfect cube. Therefore, they will not be able to make a cube using this cuboids. Clear? Question number B. If not, how many more such cuboids are needed to form a cube? So they need another one cuboid to make a cube, because 288 is the volume of one cuboid. Okay, so if you multiply 288 into 6, then you will get 1728. Okay, here we multiplied 288 into 5 because total number of cuboids were 5. Okay, if you multiply 288 into 6, suppose you another one 288 into 6, then you will get 1728 centimeter cube. 1728 is a perfect cube number. Okay, so which is a perfect cube. Clear? That's why they need another one cuboid. Clear? Okay. And question number 12. Question number 12, actually a number that can be written as the sum of two cubes in two different ways is called a Ramanujan-Hardy number. Ramanujan-Hardy means Ramanujan-Iyengar, you know, and Hardy is also a mathematician from England. Okay, actually they invented such type of numbers that some numbers you can write in this way. In this way means, suppose 1729. So 12 cube plus 1 cube you can write. Okay, 12. If you add 12 cube and 1 cube, then you will get 1729. You can write 10 cube plus 9 cube also. Then you will get 1729. So this type of numbers are called Ramanujan-Hardy number. They invented this type of numbers. Okay, so your question is write 13832 and 4104 as above. Okay, so I have done here in this way. 4140 you can write 2 cube plus 16 cube also. If we add 2 cube and 16 cube, then you will get 4140. And 9 cube plus 15 cube also 4140. Like this 13832 also. 20 cube plus 18 cube. And 24 cube plus 2 cube also you can write. Okay, so this type of numbers are called Ramanujan-Hardy number. Another number, suppose 20683, so you can write 10 cube plus 27 cube. Okay, so one option here, it is for you. You just think how can we write again. Okay, so you will show me this one also today. So students, the exercise let us do 4.1 completed today. So in the next class we will discuss cube roots, from cube roots. Okay, so it's enough for today. Bye bye, have a nice day.